Today I'm soaking up some serious festive cheer. I'm live in Birmingham and just heading to the famous German Christmas Market, the largest one outside of Germany and Austria. It's absolutely massive, it's buzzing and my stomach is ready. I'll be checking out the famous food, the festive stalls and all the fun attractions, including the fair rides and even ice skating. Stick around to see what I eat, what I buy, and whether the whole experience lives up to the hype. Getting here is super easy, which is a major bonus. If you're coming by train, Birmingham New Street Station drops you right in the heart of the city. It's just a few minutes walk from here to the market stalls. However, just remember the train networks get incredibly busy during the festive period, especially on the weekends and evenings. Definitely book your tickets ahead and be prepared for potential crowds on the platforms and carriages. Before we dive in, here's a quick essential tip for anybody planning a visit. Don't forget to wrap up warm. It gets really chilly here, especially in the evening. Layers are your new best friend. Also, you'll be on your feet for a few hours walking across uneven ground, so make sure you wear some seriously comfortable shoes. Trust me, your feet will thank me later. Alright, we've made the short walk from New Street Station and the market is right here. And now that we're properly prepared and know how to get here, let's look at the goods. This market is great for unique gifts. Check out these beautiful wooden ornaments and the handmade candles. They have everything from traditional nutcrackers to personalised decorations that you won't find anywhere else. I spotted this stall with these amazing leather goods and novelty items. I might have to treat myself to a little something. And here's another little tip. The stalls by the carousel tend to be the most popular, so try coming earlier in the day if you hate those busy crowds. Okay, all that shopping has made me hungry. Time for the main course. You can't come here and not get a Bratwurst. I went for the classic Bratwurst with onions. Let me take a bite. Let's see. Wow, the snap on that sausage is perfect. Definitely a 10 out of 10 start. And a great tip for anyone, don't worry if you're vegetarian. Many of the stores offer veggie options like potato fritters and vegetarian sausage. Now let's talk drinks. The market is famous for a massive selection of German beverages. You can find authentic German beers in huge steins, and of course the classic mulled wine is everywhere. But they also have tons of options for everyone, like refreshing soft drinks and hot chocolate. And since I don't drink alcohol, I'm grabbing a non-alcoholic beer. It's sweet, it's spicy, and it instantly giving me that Christmassy warm feeling without the alcohol. Let me know in the comments what your favourite thing to eat or drink at a Christmas market is. And finally, for the part I've been waiting for, the sugar rush. This market is absolutely heaven for anyone with a sweet tooth. I started with the most incredible mini donut. They are dusted in sugar and smell incredible. But that's not all. I also grabbed some giant fluffy marshmallows, toasted right here in front of the store. And I couldn't resist picking up one of those huge decorated gingerbread hearts to take home. It was pure, sticky, delicious Christmas indulgence. Okay, we've eaten, we've shopped, and now it's time to soak up the final atmosphere and hit the thrills. I especially came here in the evening just so I could see the Christmas lights sparkling. It makes the whole experience so much more magical. Seriously, the vibe here is electric. The lights, the sound, the live music and the DJ, and the sheer scale of the place. It's just a massive festive party. They have the beautiful traditional carousel right here, which is perfect for a festive photo op. Plus, the fun fair attractions are fantastic. There's a big wheel for amazing views of the city, and don't forget the ice rink. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, skating under the festive lights is a must-do while you're here. It's a perfect way to end the day. So was the Birmingham German Christmas Market worth the trip? Absolutely yes. The incredible atmosphere and the fun attractions are key, but the food and the drinks, both savoury and sweet, are a massive highlight. It gets crowded, but that's truly part of the festive fun. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. My name's lathonmb and some of my other videos should be popping up around now, so don't forget to give them a watch. And you know what I always say? I'll see you in the next video. Bye!